The Halloween niche. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creator Bee, and welcome to our channel where we show you how to make money online with low content products like KDP low content books, printables, and digital planners. So why are we talking about Halloween in August? Well, it's the time that you should actually be preparing your products to get them ready to be putting them on the different platforms so that they can be indexed and ready to be selling in September and October for this huge niche that's worth over $10.14 billion in the United States alone. Never mind the rest of the world that may also celebrate Halloween. So if we have a look at Halloween search trends, you'll see that last year it peaked obviously in October towards the end when Halloween Eve and Halloween Day and all that happens, but you'll see it actually starts on an upward trend in August. So this was all last year once it dropped down, and then it's just, there's still people searching for it. So if you're going to design something and you want it to sell all year round, look at designing things around the niche horror rather than just Halloween itself. So you'll see that here at the beginning of August when I'm filming this, it's actually going in an upward trend. So let's have a look at what you can design. So if you're just designing for KDP, have a look at Halloween colouring books. But like I say, also have a look at like horror. So there's this one here, this dark beauty fantasy. It's more of a horror colouring book than Halloween, but Halloween will be one of their main keywords. So because horror is evergreen, Halloween is October. But there's all different ways you can go. You can go the creepy kawaii style, which is probably huge, but has got a lot of books as well. Or you can also go chimby, but remember, don't use the word chimby. Chimby word is trademark. And then there's some great ideas here just for you to have a look at. So then I decided to go and have a look at Halloween colouring books for kids. Again, there's over 3,000 results. Again, avoid Disney, anything to do with the mouse, avoid it like the plague, don't touch it. You not only risk your KDP account getting shut down, this person has actually paid for sponsorship, so they actually highlight into Disney, hey, I'm here. Disney will come after you, and not only will you lose your account, you possibly lose your house. Just remember that. And then the next one here is Halloween activity books for kids as well. I decided to have a look at that. Some really great things. This one, Hunt and Find, I thought that was great. Scissor skills, so they mix in early learning skills with the theme of Halloween. So that's quite a good idea. Then there's Puzzle Mania. So there's all different things you could do. You could do word search, you could do Sudoku, you could do mazes, you could do math things around Halloween, long questions around that, colouring in, so all sorts of things. So I thought I would also do an activity book for adults. Now, I didn't think any of these really were right for adults. They didn't come across for me as more of a horror sort of scene, and there was lots mixed in with colouring pages. So even though it says there's over 2,000 results, I don't think they're quite right. So maybe it's a way of getting in. Then I thought I'd have a look at Halloween storybooks. And when I looked at it for kids, there were over 75,000 results. But when I niched it down to specifically to toddlers, then it was just over 3,000. Again, go out and check it out. But Amazon is not the only platform. There is also Etsy. Now, Etsy is the fourth biggest e-commerce platform that people use to actually buy products across the world. Now, I know there's certain countries that don't have Etsy because of Etsy Pay. They may allow you to use PayPal. But if you can use Etsy, this is great because you can create printables and different products. So the first printable I'm going to talk about is the Halloween Scavenger Hunt. It's usually one page. You can design it in different ways. And it's a printable so that people actually print it off on their own printer, or they take it to a printing shop or to a library where they can print it out. Now, you can do editable versions where they either pay you to change things, or you can sell it using a system like Cordial or Template or even Canva, where they can go in and change their different things. Like this one is more of a party invitation. So that's another thing you can do. You can do party invitations. And then I thought, because of doing party invitations, I might do Halloween printable games. Now, there is a few that's appropriate. But when I had a look down here, there was some that was more baby shower, and not really Halloween baby shower, just baby shower and bachelorette ones. So even though it's telling me there is over 7,651 results, some of them are not correct. Like pumpkin baby shower, that's more fall than it is Halloween to me anyway, but that's saying Halloween. So that's another one to look at. Then I decided to have a look at Halloween colouring pages. I did not break it down between adults and kids, but there's a number of different choices. You'll even see that this magazine here, this might just be on the UK Etsy site, because the magazine Colouring Heaven is actually, I see this in a lot of the supermarkets when I go shopping and I go looking at the magazine sections. In fact, I've bought a couple of these magazines. They also do a dot-to-dot magazine as well. So they've started selling on Etsy. So it just proves to you how big Etsy is becoming as a e-commerce site. Then I had to look at Halloween stickers. There is a lot of stickers, 75,000. But this was mixed between those that you either make yourself and then post out to the customer, or you can use a print-on-demand company and design the stickers, and then the print-on-demand company actually will send the stickers out to your customer. So I had a look at those. You can also design SVGs and things like that for people who have got the silhouette or Cricut machines where they cut their own. And this is also mixed up with some digital stickers. So I thought I'd have a look at digital stickers as well. That's actually reduced the number down to just over 13,000. And these come in different packs. People use them. They either print them out as printables and actually stick them in their planners and journals that are actual physical, or they actually take them and put them in their digital planners and journals and use them in apps like GoodNotes and Notability and Penly and those sorts of things. That's another option for you. Then I thought SVGs, lots of people use SVGs, but again, please avoid doing Disney unless you've got a license from Disney. There's two here, they're screaming out trademark, copyright infringement. But be careful, make sure that when you're doing any of these that you stick within the right side of copyright and trademark. In fact, just design your own. I do love those are cute. And then the next one here, I thought of doing t-shirts, because you can use print-on-demand companies. I don't do anything with t-shirts. There's lots of great training out there. I think D2's shirts, I'll leave a link down in the description for his YouTube channel where he does some amazing designs and stuff like that. So you can go and check those out. And again, these all use different print-on-demand companies. So like Printly, Printify, there's some better than others. And also check out the shipping rates, because all those sorts of prices have gone up. So that's the reason why I stick with a lot of things that are printable and digital downloads, because I'm not having to deal with postage or anything like that. Then I thought I'd look at wall art as well. There's some great ones here, like this pumpkin spice, cocktail bar, portions and elixirs, I think. Yeah, I had to really look in there. So apothecary, I can't say it, but yep. So there's some great ideas. And then we've already done that one. So time is now to be creating and getting it ready so you can upload things by at least September so that they can start indexing. Etsy takes up to 28 days to actually index your products that you've put up for sale. And Amazon can take as long as a few weeks or a few months, depending on what method you're going to use. If you're going to run ads straight away, then that's obviously a lot quicker. If you're just trying to do it organically and just telling people about it in Facebook groups or in Pinterest or on TikTok, then it may take a bit longer. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be notified about any other videos I make. I make videos that show you how to go about creating all these different products using different types of software, including Affinity, PowerPoint, and Canva.